I get the Synthesis magazine, and of course, I'm an avid Packer fan. And here's this young man all dressed up in Packer gear, and I thought, wow, I got to meet this young man. And since I'm a Packer fan and I have all sorts of Packer paraphernalia, I thought I can share some with him. It just made me feel good that someone else could share some of the things that I've saved over the years. He's my little hero. I mean, he's quite a guy, to go through what he is, and he's a normal kid now. He just likes to do everything that everybody else does, and he will be able to. He's got the right attitude.
Thank you.